How to add collection on Facebook Lite.
Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started.
Now, first of all, make sure that you have downloaded the app Facebook Lite. Then open the application and just make sure that you're logged into the application. And then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Then scroll down and you can see the option of saved. After that, you get the option of create at the right side of the screen. Just tap on it. Then you can add a collection name. Here I'm just typing like my, and then select on create, and there you go.
So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.